Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making watermelon smoothie. To make this smoothie, you need cut up watermelon, lime, ice, and honey. And you also need a blender. To make this smoothie, let's take the blender, and I'm going to add ice. This is crushed ice, and I will add watermelon, and I will also cut a piece of lime and squeeze it. So we're going to add freshly squeezed lime juice to the smoothie. And now I will add honey. And now let's blend the smoothie. All done. So healthy and delicious. Super refreshing watermelon drink. For a free printable recipe, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.